Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find routing number on Chase Bank. This is really easy and very simple to do this. So first of all, you can access through to your website as well as you can access it from the mobile application. So on the steps which I'm going to show you exactly the same. So you have to log in into your account. You can also log in from the website as you can see here. And if you're using application, same goes here. Now, once you're here, will be your home page in the account section. So you have to go to the account section here. You can see right now, and then you will see this option of overview, and this is a Chase checking. So here you can just click any one of them, whichever details you want to find. So let's say I just want to know the checking here. So I will click on it. Once I click on it, I will get this option here, right? As you can see here, you have to click on it. Now here you will get this option on the transaction you have did, and this is the balances you have, and this here you will find this option of save details. Now you have to click on it, and once you click on it, here you can see you will get your account number as well as the routing number of your trading account, which I've selected earlier, right? And for example, in some reasons or in some cases, if you're not able to access neither the website nor the mobile application, then how you will able to find your account number and routing number? This is also easy. So you have to just go to your checkbook, right? And here the 9 digital, here it will show you the digital routing number. This is the account number and this is the check number, right? And this will be in Chase checkbook. So you can also check it from there, right? If you found this video very useful and better than the others, make sure to like this video, subscribe.